Me llama Francisco el Gato. You may not hear of me as you ought to, but now perk your ears up to my tune that I sing for you under the full moon.
Ay, 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 Francisco el Gato.
We sing tonight under la luna, so please won't you spare us some tuna. I rise from the streets of Los Gatos. I survive all its bullies and ratos. But the kitten's a man worst of all, for they squeeze Francisco like the mousy doll.
Ay, 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 Francisco el Gato.
My honor is all that matter, but I don't mind half-eaten ratto. I like my mouse tails cooked al dente, and I once ran for el presidente. But my party they abandon sheep when they see Francisco on the catnip.
Ay, 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 Francisco el Gato.
So what if I act loco kitty when I visit el catnip city? I once met a fairest Chiquita.